Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I am going to show you how to enable dark mode system-wide on Android. Let's scroll down from the very top of the screen to open the quick settings panel and look for dark theme. This one. Tap these ones, and just like that, you've enabled dark mode system-wide. And if for some reason you don't see dark mode in your quick settings panel, just go directly to settings. And search for dark mode or dark theme. And from here, you can easily switch to light and dark theme. And now, not only does dark mode give your phone a sleek and modern look, but it also helps reduce eye strain and can even save battery life on devices with OLED screens.